What is cavitation in a centrifugal pump? Cavitation is defined as the phenomenon of the formation of vapor bubbles of a flowing liquid in a region where the pressure of the liquid falls below its vapor pressure and the sudden collapsing of these vapor bubbles in a region of higher pressure. When the vapor bubbles collapse, a very high pressure is created. The metallic surfaces, above which these vapor bubbles collapse, are subjected to these high pressures, which cause pitting action on the surface. Thus cavities are formed on the metallic surface and also considerable noise and vibrations are produced. Cavitation includes the formation of vapor bubbles of the flowing liquid and collapsing of the vapor bubbles. The formation of vapor bubbles of the flowing liquid takes place only whenever the pressure in any region falls below vapor pressure. When the pressure of the flowing liquid is less than its vapor pressure, the liquid starts boiling and vapor bubbles are formed. These vapor bubbles are carried along with the flowing liquid to higher pressure zones where these vapors condense and bubbles collapse. Due to the sudden collapsing of the bubbles on the metallic surface, high pressure is produced and metallic surfaces are subjected to high local stresses. Thus the surfaces are damaged.